Hello, today let's see how we can create photo reflections with free Canva. On the home page, we can click social media and we can choose, for example, Facebook post and click create blank. Now let's go to the left side menu and click apps. And here we can enter reflections and we can choose easy reflections. This one app, so click on it. And now we can click open. And now we need to click on the photo. So let's go to the left side menu, click apps. And here we can choose photos, click photos. And we can choose any photo. For example, I'm searching for landscape and I'm choosing this one, free photo. So we see it is free. And now let's go to the easy reflections. We can click on the photo and now we can click create reflection. And now we see we can choose position. We can choose below, above, left or right. So I am choosing below. We can adjust offset and opacity. And we can click add to design. And here you go. We have our reflection. Let's choose another photo. So let's go to the photos and I am searching for girl. Let it be this one. Go to easy reflections, click create reflection. And now we can choose below, above, left or right. So I'm choosing below and clicking add to design. We can resize our reflection. And here you go. We can search for photos without background in the page png.aaa.com. We can go and search for people. And now we can choose any photo. For example, I'm choosing this one. I'm clicking free download. Now we need to wait for 10 seconds. And now we can take the photo and drag it to our Canva. And now we can go to the easy reflections, click on the photo, click create reflection, and we can click add to design. And here you go, we see our reflection. Now let's choose this photo. I'm in the photos, entering flowers, and I will choose this one, free. So clicking on it. Now we can go to easy reflection, click create reflections. And now we can choose our reflection. I'm choosing left. We can adjust offset, opacity, and click add to design. And here you go. We can enter our text. We can change the text color. We can go to position and layers. And here we can adjust the layers. So I hope you like this quick tutorial. Click like and subscribe. And see you next time.